Hey guys, I'm prosecuting attorney Kelsey Guernsey. You know how important it is to look out for your friends at school, online, when you're hanging out. But now we need you to add one more thing to your safety checklist: firearms. If you're at a friend's house and you see a gun laying around or even think there might be one that isn't locked up, don't touch it, leave it alone, tell a responsible adult ASAP. And if you or a friend are going through a hard time, remember that access to a firearm can turn a bad day into a fatal one.